Hi, day 4th of September 2024. Time is this, and here we can say day 119. Day 119. So, today we are going to talk about streams. We are going to talk about what? Streams. What do you mean by stream? A stream is an abstract interface for stream is an abstract interface for working with the streaming the data in the Nodejs. So it is coming from the package node stream. Okay, streaming the data. If you see, there are types of the streams: writable, readable, duplex, and the transform. These many types of the streams are available. So when you talk about the streams in a Node.js, the data which is getting written incrementally, not in a single shot. So whenever you need to write the data incrementally, not one at a shot. Take an example of the chat messages. You are not going to get the chat messages all of a sudden, but you are going to send that data, read or write that data incrementally. That is nothing but the stream is. In such situations, you need a stream. Take an example of you need to read the 100 GB of the file. You need to read 100 GB file. Okay. So it is not possible to read that file once at a shot. In a single shot, it is not possible to read that file. So you need what you can say. So you need something called as stream. I would be reading or writing that particular thing. I would be reading or writing that particular thing incrementally. Hello? You getting my point? What I mean to say? Now, there are four types of the streams, right? Readable streams, writable streams, duplex streams, and the transform stream. So here I'm reading the document. The readable streams used to read the data. That is reading data from the file or network. You can create the readable stream using create readable stream. Writable streams are used to write the data in the file or over the network. Duplex streams who can do both read and write together, like a socket. Socket means what? Network connection is there and you need to read and write. That is nothing but what? The duplex stream. Transform, a duplex stream that can modify or transform the data as it is written or read. Means here you just read the data whatever as it is. But while reading, if you want to transform it, there are the transform streams. Okay. There are what? Transform streams. So remember, whenever you need to read the data piece by piece, you need a stream. That is for sure. Whenever you need a data piece by piece, 100 GB of the data cannot be written at one shot. You need piece by piece, and that is nothing but what the stream is. Now there are some events on the stream. There are what? Some events on the stream. Just a minute. Actually, means whenever things are happening, you get the event. Particular thing is happened or particular thing has not happened. That is nothing but the event. Now, streams are built on the top of the Node.js event system. So there are something called as events in a Node.js. We'll talk about that. Events. Actually, events, the topic events we are going to see tomorrow. What do you mean by events actually? But before that, you need to understand the stream. Technically, you need to learn the stream together with this. You need to learn the streams together with the events. Okay. So when you talk about the streams are built on the top of the Node.js event system, emitting the various events that you can listen to. Okay, so let's try a simple example. New file. Here we can say app01.js. Let's try to create the readable stream. For that, we are going to use one more node package, which is already, whenever you install the Node.js, this package comes to you, fs file system, and require fs const readable stream, rs, we can say readable stream, rs fs dot create read stream, and here we can say abc.txt. Now see, here we can say rs.on. This is the event. Which event can you see? By default event: close, data, end, error, open, pause, readable, ready, resume. These are the events. So let's have the open. Whenever file is open, this function would be getting called. But if you want to read the data, here we can say by default event data, and here you can say chunk. This is the lambda we are passing, and here we can say console.log received chunk is nothing but what? This chunk. Console.log received chunk. This is the chunk. Now one more event. This is the stream. abc.txt, consider this is the 100 GB of the file. So here we can say abc.txt, one file. Hey, hi, how are you? We can say how are you? rs.on, one more event, end. then this would be getting called. There is no, this is the callback we are passing to the on, name of the event, and the function to be called on that thing. Console.log reading completed. Now let's go here, cd dot dot cd 119 cd day 119 and node app01.js. Can you see you are getting what? Buffer. What you are getting? Buffer. Yesterday we talked about this buffer. What is a buffer? A sequence of the bytes is nothing but what buffer is. Sequence of the bytes is nothing but what the buffer is. You getting my point or not? Hello? So and that's why yesterday we have seen the buffer, and at that time I told you we will discuss what is the exact use case of buffer. This is the exact use case of buffer. So Node.js will store the data in the form of buffers. What is buffer? A sequence of the bytes. Sequence of what? Bytes. And here you will get, and here what you will get? Buffer. As you read the chunk would be in the form of buffer. Okay. Now, next thing, this is the read buffer. So here you got, this is a byte. This is the buffer. We can say buffer. This is the read stream. Now, how do we create the write stream? Again, const rs write stream. So here we can say write stream fs dot create write stream, and here op output dot txt, and here we can say ws dot write hey hi, and then it's good. Now ws dot on so here we need to end it. Ws dot end means here stream would be getting completed. End. This is end of stream. On, there is a built-in event finish. Can you see on finish? And here we can say console.log all data have been written, and observe here a new file would be getting created, op.txt. Can you see op.txt? Hey hi. So everything whatever we have written here, hey hi, it's good, this is the end of the stream. Hey hi, it's good, this is the end of the stream. The reason behind they are coming one line, we need to add /n escape sequence /n here. Hey, hi, it's good. This is the end of the stream. Okay. So this is about writable stream. What is this all about? Writable stream. Any question? Any question on the writable stream? Hello? This is clear, right? Right. So we have discussed the writable streams. Now, a lot of things actually we can do with the streams, like piping of the data. We can pipe multiple streams. We will see that shortly. But whenever you talk about the streams, read streams and write streams, try to understand that you are working with chunk of the data, not all the data. Now you can consider abc.txt, we are using it for reading. This abc.txt, we are using it for reading. And consider this file is a hundreds of GB. This file is a hundreds of GB. So you cannot read this hundreds of GB in a one go. You need to read the chunks byte by byte. You need to read chunks byte by byte. And at that time, Nodejs supports with the help of streams. So whenever you say stream, it is reading the data byte by byte. Okay. Now, streams are used with the events. Can you see these are some predefined events? Okay. So now what we will do, we will continue tomorrow. Is that okay? Hello? Yeah. We'll continue the same topic tomorrow. Thank you.